Hello again. Some people in the forum seem to like these little videos of mine, so I thought I'd do another one since I've done an update. Okay, this is something that was asked for in the forums. It now saves your username and login. So I'll run through the app first, and then I'll show you the background. We'll go run configuration. We'll run it just for a laugh. We'll run it as an Apple. I'll do it on the desktop. I'll do it as an iPhone 4 app. I'll run that. Okay, move it up a little bit. Okay, so you put a username, password in. Now new tick box, log in. Just logged in as usual. Now if I quit out of that and run it again, you'll see it saved the details. And it's also remembered that I want to save details. Log back in. There's also preferences. I wanted a way that you could clear the details if you wanted to. You just click that and it's going to clear it for you. While I'm there, I'll show you something from a previous video. Okay. So I've now got infills that can be increased. Okay, nicely done. Once again, you have to manually refresh. I'll just show you. Well, doesn't make any difference, does it? Because they're all still at 20. Okay. Now this is how I did it. I started off by creating an ActionScript class called Database Manager. So this is the constructor, so it just sets up the connection, sets up the file. That's the name of the file that's going to be stored in, and then initializes the tables. So it creates a table that does not exist. The table's called login details. It's just simple username and password. That's what it saves. Then I put a couple of public functions. Get login details. So just select all from login details. If it's null, obviously you haven't saved them, it's just going to send back null. Doesn't it casts it to an object and sends that back. You got save login details, insert into login, username, password. These are the parameters. Also clear details, which is down here. So basically it clears it if you want to save it, because I only ever want one saved in there for the time being. So I'm going to login view now, design. And there's the checkbox that I've added, called save data checkbox. Now I have to go to the button handler. So same as before, it's just when it calls the main login, it just includes the selected property, which is a boolean. This isn't now it's actually outside the view, so you can't see, but it's a boolean. So you go to main and login. This basically just sends it on the login page. You log in and just saves it as a local variable, so when it gets the result back, if you said you wanted to save it, then it runs the database, save login details, saves it. I do it here because obviously I don't really want to save your username and password if you've got it wrong. I'll wait to get a positive result first. Also, when it first logs in, I've added a creation complete event. Basically, when this view is first created, it fires this handler, and it goes to the main check login details. And I say if it's null, it doesn't display anything. If it is, it puts in the login details for you, and also pre-selects the checkbox. I do that in the main rather than the database, because I need to instantiate the database manager first. So I do that here, so that's what was instantiated, because you can always go back to the login page. That could cause problems, because that could already be made. Okay, so that's about it. Cheers.